Hello guys, welcome to Master Tutorials. I am Apurv and this is tutorial number 10th. In this tutorial we are going to learn about iteration statements, and which are of three types: for loops, while loops, do while loops. So this tutorial covers the for loop. So what are iteration statement? Iteration statement execute a set of lines of code until a given condition is true or false depending what you have written, and it is used very much in the programming so as to reduce the amount of lines in the code and for usability. So let's begin. I have taken a variable a and a variable I is used as a counter. So for loop can have four parts. Three are condition in the round brackets, the fourth one is the code part. So here you can see I have written three lines, and in between the lines I have used the semicolon. So I equal to a denotes the initial value of I, and second one is the condition we have to check, which is greater than equal to 0, and the third one is the decrement operator, which decreases the value of I. So if one of the values is not given in the for loop, it will still run the loop but can have other consequences. So I have been printing here the taking the division of a and I. Suppose you remove here I minus minus, so I will always be satisfying the value of the condition here, so the loop will run infinitely, and infinite does not mean for infinite amount of time. Maybe it means for a large amount of time. So you can try and do it by yourself. Here I have been using a backtracking method, that is I have taken a value that is not 0, that is initial value is not 0, it's some integer, and I am decreasing the value, so that is known as backtracking. Now let me run the program and show you what will be the output. So it will generate error, so I'll tell you about the error. What's the error? You don't have to worry about it. So as you can see, process has written a negative value, which means the file terminated because of an error. So if you can see properly, there's a division by a by I, and I can take a value 0 at the end of the counter, that is when the value of I is decreased to 1 and is decreased to 0. So the program runs through a by 0, which is not a defined number, so that gives us a error. So by changing the program a little bit, that is changing the condition and increasing the value of minimum value of I to 1, that is I is greater than equal to 1, we can remove this error, and rerunning the program will show you that the error has been removed. So guys, this was a simple for loop using a backtracking. So if you have any problems regarding for loop and nested for loops, you can write down in the comment section below, and drop a like if you like the video. And thank you, that's it. Stay tuned for more updates.